Hello, welcome to T-Sport Bernau. Yesterday we had lots of fun. We arrived here last night at 8 o'clock. We were planning on getting here a lot earlier, but the turbo actually failed on the tractor unit, and you'll see some pictures of us changing it now. And basically what happened was with the boost and the boost on the turbo, it sheared some bolts off the back flange. So these bolts sheared, and then it popped the inlet snail off, and then it dropped onto the sort of turbines inside. Luckily it didn't break any turbines, it just sort of burnt them out of it, so we could actually fix it on the road. Luckily we had a full working workshop with all the tools, and the compressor was still charged with air, so we could actually sort of cobble it and fix it. Just enough to obviously make it here. I think we're probably around 60 horsepower down with the actual damage to the turbo. So luckily Lars at Garage Lunau, he actually swapped, or he didn't swap, he actually organised a turbo for us for first thing this morning. So we actually have a brand new turbo ready to go on the truck. So the first job is to tilt the cab, and I think it'll probably only take us a couple of hours to swap it, and then we'll be full boost down the road on our way to Hungary. The plan is to leave tomorrow, so we'll get this done and crack on to Hungary. So we've had lots of fun trying to find the right turbo for this engine because it's not built anymore. It's sort of been superseded by lots of other things, but luckily the guys at Lunau, they have found us aftermarket one. But basically what happened with the old turbo is that it's got some bolts which clamp a plate to sort of for the aluminium to mount to the cast steel, and some of the bolts actually sheared, and when they sheared it sort of came away and then it dropped down slightly. It was still held, but it did drop down slightly, and this caused, you can see them, a little bit of burning to the actual fins. So that's why we sort of chanced putting it all back together at the side of the road and continuing, because there's no big pieces missing. I would say 90% of the material that's sort of gone is still there. It's just burnt over a bit, so that's why we were comfortable to continue. But we do have a MAN original gasket kit which Garage Lunau sorted out for us. And obviously some things you best use in the original parts, but obviously I think the local MAN place, they don't have any turbos. We did actually ask for an original MAN turbo, and that's why we went for the aftermarket one. Just because of speed, we need to leave here tomorrow morning, and if we wait for MAN to get one, it's going to be a few days. So from that side, it's it should be hopefully quite good with this one, so we're going to get it mounted now. We've got a meeting with PE in a few hours, so I need to get it mounted, go for a shave and a shower, and then go for the meeting. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you soon.